How's it going, guys? My name is Brandon. Today we're going to be going over paint codes that we offer here at Taco Vinyl. To start off, all of our letters that are applied onto all of our Raptor grills are actually cut in-house. Then the other letters that we offer are obviously for like your pro grills, other grills obviously that come with these letters that are screw-on. From there, all of our letters are painted in-house. We have a full paint booth that's ready to go. We paint these things as if it were OEM paint. So they are prepped. We're gonna be doing an adhesion promoter, several layers of various of these. We're doing a primer, base coat, clear coat. So these letters aren't just, you know, a quick spray paint on. These are legit painted just like a vehicle. Therefore, the finish will be very, very similar to your vehicle. So a lot of people have questions on color, sheens, difference between like gloss black, satin black. What does your bronze gold look like? And that's what I'm gonna explain to in this video. So what we'll do is we'll start out with these two rows. These are the OEM colors that Toyota offers. Quick comparisons here. A lot of people question this. This is your 1D6 and this is your 1G3. So this is a silver sky metallic. There are a few different reference names, but the codes are what's important. So this is a 1D6, this is 1G3, this is the metallic gray that's pretty popular on the third gens. So these two are not the same. You can tell all of them come with a gloss finish, just like your vehicle, as I was saying earlier. So this one is significantly darker, this one's lighter. Got your Inferno and Barcelona red. Inferno is going to be your 4XO, so it's closer to an orange, as you can tell. Sometimes when you see the Inferno alone, it can come out looking red, but it's actually very orange compared to your Barcelona red. That's a 3R3. So there's those two comparisons. Then some people that want to color match and paint other accessories in their car. We have a few different blues that Toyota offers. So you got your blazing blue, your cavalry blue, and then your voodoo blue, and you can kind of see them comparatively. Very dark, has metallic flake in it. These two do not have a metallic flake, but they're still a gloss. And this one's going to be more of like an earthy tone. This is definitely like a pop, look at me kind of color. The last two colors I'm going to go over are the two earthy colors that are pretty popular these days, quicksand and your army green. This is going to be your 6v7 and a 4v6 on these paint codes. Great colors to accent things with, but also they come out just looking like OEM paint. Another good question that's asked is gloss and satin black. I'll give you guys a good view on this. This is a 218 black, so it does have flake, or a 209 black, so it does have flake in it. The 218 black doesn't have flake, it's just a simple gloss black. This is going to be our satin black. This is a fantastic satin black. It's not full matte, so it doesn't collect dirt, nor does it look dirty, but it still has that matte-ish type finish, which is not shiny. And you can tell they almost look like different colors, just because this one has a little bit of flake and then a gloss clear finish on it. You can kind of see that if I wave them back. Cool. Two other colors to go over. We do have a bronze gold color, which is just like this. It matches really well with a bunch of the Method wheels. Now, if you're wanting a true bronze is actually like a darker color. It's not quite as vibrant as this. So we do have a true bronze that matches really well with like Stuff Custom Series wheels. Great interior trim. It's not quite as flashy as like a gold bronze like this. And then obviously we got white, your 040. And the last color to go over is standard gray. So these letters all come in from the manufacturer. This is called standard gray, or like an OEM gray. All the pro grills and stuff are painted just like this. It's a matte satin finish with a little bit of flake in it. So there's a little bit of sparkle to it. It's definitely a gray. And this is a color that just comes on that pro grill finish. This color can be replicated. We haven't had anybody ask it, but on the website, this is going to be listed as standard gray, okay? Which is different from like a cement gray. That's a 1H5 or like a 1D6. And you can kind of see those differences now. So if you have any further questions on paint, don't be afraid to shoot us a call or an email. Email support@tacovinyl.com, or you can shoot us a call at 208-697-4555. We do offer all custom colors as well, so if you have a paint code, we'll paint it, and we'll also do any custom lettering as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.